Bubble sort has two nested loops. Here is the critical rule for nested loops: you multiply their iteration counts, you do not add them. This single line reads the array length into n. It runs exactly once before any looping begins, O of 1. The outer loop, I goes from 0 up to n minus 1, that is exactly n iterations, O of n. The inner loop runs n minus I minus 1 times for each outer pass. On average that's about n over 2, but n over 2 is still O of n. Outer O of n times inner O of n equals O of n squared. Inside both loops, one comparison, then at most 3 assignments for the swap. Always exactly 3, O of 1. Multiplying O of n squared by O of 1 leaves O of n squared unchanged. Final calculation, O of 1 for the setup, then outer O of n times inner O of n times body O of 1. Everything multiplies to O of n squared.